In the late 1980s, in a cozy office in the Netherlands, a programmer named Guido van Rossum found himself seeking a hobby project to keep himself occupied over the holidays. At the time, Guido worked at CII, Centrum Wiskunde en Informatica, a research institute where he was heavily involved with a programming language called ABC. ABC was a teaching language designed to be simple and easy to use, but despite its potential, it had several limitations. Guido admired its strengths, but saw opportunities for improvement. Guido envisioned a new language, one that combined simplicity with power, usability with flexibility. A language for everyone, whether they were beginners or experienced developers. He wanted something intuitive, yet robust enough to handle complex programming tasks. And most importantly, he wanted a tool that encouraged productivity and joy. In December 1989, Guido began sketching out the foundations of his new language. Drawing inspiration from ABC, he addressed its shortcomings. He added extensibility through modules, better error handling, and greater transparency. For the name, Guido wanted something light-hearted, not the heavy, academic names typical in computing. Being a fan of the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus, he decided to call it Python, a nod to his love for humor. By February 1991, Guido released the first public version of Python, Python 0.90. It already included many features that would become hallmarks of the language: exception handling, functions, and modules. But what stood out was Python's syntax. It was clean, readable, and elegant. Guido believed that code should be as easy to read as prose, and his design reflected that philosophy. The mantra, "code is read more often than it is written," became a guiding principle. Python's user base grew steadily throughout the 1990s. Its combination of simplicity and versatility made it appealing to educators, researchers, and hobbyists alike. When Python 2.0 was released in 2000, it introduced new features like list comprehensions and garbage collection, further cementing its popularity. Over time, Python's philosophy, summarized in the Zen of Python, a collection of design principles, began shaping the way programmers thought about code. By the mid-2000s, Python was no longer just a hobbyist language. It had found its way into web development, scientific computing, and data analysis. Tech giants like Google embraced it, and its libraries began powering everything from artificial intelligence to automation. In 2008, Guido introduced Python 3.0, a major revision aimed at fixing long-standing issues, though it meant breaking compatibility with Python 2. Despite initial resistance, Python 3 became the standard, thanks to its modern features. Today, Python stands as one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Its success is not just a testament to Guido's vision, but also to the vibrant community that has grown around it. The language has become a symbol of openness, collaboration, and accessibility, a tool for anyone to bring their ideas to life. Guido van Rossum, who stepped down as Python's benevolent dictator for life in 2018, often reflects on Python's journey with humility. What began as a holiday project became a cornerstone of modern computing, shaping the way millions of people interact with technology.